Hello everyone, welcome back. Today is 21st September 24. I'm your host and you are watching Don Boss YouTube channel. I make this video for X Empire, daily rebels, daily stock exchanges, investment and daily riddles. So and also YouTube video posts. Listen and watch carefully how to apply all this. First event seeding tab, then investment tab, stock exchanges. Number first stock exchanges is hamster breeding. That's good. Number second is fan model only. And the last number is limited edition watch. We have successfully stored exchanges in investment. Now on the turn of today's riddle of the day. Riddle of the day today is here. Now check the answer. Okay guys, we have successfully claimed today rebels of the day, and today rebels of the day we have successfully claimed today rebel of the day, and today's rebels of the day is not out yet. And also do this YouTube video call for episode number 48. Is 2626148. Check the code. Okay guys, we have successfully claimed today's YouTube episode number 48 code. Thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and also join our Telegram group, link provided in description. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.